Hi, this is Joyce Jason, and today I'm going to explain the fifth exercise in web, that is using JavaScript. We have to solve the following questions. So the first question is to when we give an input a set of strings, we have to find which is the longest word and which is the shortest word. So for that, what we use is for JavaScript, we write the code inside the script tags. So first, I open a script tag, and inside that, I create a variable string, and then we have to give the input in the prompt box. So I give prompt and then enter your input. Then I create a variable array equal to string.split. So this thing splits the word, and then I create a variable long and then array of 0, and I create a variable I. Now I use a for loop. So inside the for loop, I've used an if loop also. So for when I equal to 1, I is less than array dot length I plus plus. If long dot length is less than array of I dot length, then long will be equal to array of I. And then to print the longest word, we write document dot get element by ID. Here the ID is D1. First dot inner HTML equals to long. So then the longest word will be printed. Similarly, for the shortest word, we do the same thing, but instead of long, we write short. And here in the if condition, if short dot length is greater than array of I dot length, then short is equals to array of I. Now to print the shortest word, we write document dot get element by ID, and for this the ID is D2, the second one. Then dot inner HTML equal to short, and we close the script tag. So to run this, when we run this, we can see that a prompt box will be created here. So here we can enter our input. So I write this one for the longest, and I give one more input. So now it's showing me the output as in the first set of strings, the longest word was prejudice, and the second set of strings, the shortest word was women. Now for the second one we have to calculate the BMI, that is the body mass index. So for that, first we have to create a small form. So here for the field set, in the field set, I've given weight and height in kilograms and meters respectively, and I've created two text boxes with ID, weight and height. Then I've created I've created a button. So when I button get BMI, so when I click on that button, it will call the BMI function. And then inside the paragraph tag, I've created your BMI is, and then the span ID is score. Then the second, your body type is, here span ID is type. Then I've opened the script tag and I've created a function called BMI. And inside that, I've created two variables, W and H, which will take the value from the user. So to take the value from the user, we write document.getElement by ID. Here ID is weight dot value. Similarly for the height. Now I've created a variable called BMI. So to calculate the BMI, the formula is W divided by H into H. Now to print the BMI, we write document.getElement by ID. To calculate the BMI, the ID was score. Then dot inner HTML equal to BMI. Now to calculate the body type, we are using the if condition here. So if BMI is less than 18, then the body type will be underweight. To print that, again we use the same syntax. Else if BMI is greater than 18 or BMI is less than 25, like if it's between 18 and 25, it will be normal. And if BMI will be between 25 and 30, it's overweight. Or else, if anything else comes, the body type will be obese. So I run this. Yeah, so I give the weight in kilograms as 60 and height in meters as 5.4, and I click get BMI. So here it's showing me the BMI and your body type is underweight. Now the third one is we have to convert Indian rupees into US dollars or US dollars into Indian rupees. So what we do is we create a drop down menu for this. First we create a text box. So there we write the value of the rupee or dollar to be converted, and then we create a drop down menu, that is we can choose from two options, Indian rupee or US dollars. Now this thing is from Indian rupees or US dollars, then we have to create one more drop down menu to convert it to US dollars or Indian rupees. So then we create a button, calculate, and when you click on calculate, it will call the convert function. So the JavaScript code is this. Inside the script, we create a function called convert, and we create two variables, data and index. And then these two values will be taken from the user itself. And then here's the switch statement. So here's switch index. Case 0 is data is equals to data into 0.016, and case 1 is data equal to data into 64. This is US dollars to be converted into rupees, and this is rupees to US dollars. So to get the answer, we have to print. So it will be document.getElement by ID. ID is answer.image.html equal to data. So when I run this file, so here we have to convert. We can convert 100 rupees to US dollars. It's 1.6, and now we can convert 100 US dollars to Indian rupees. So it will be 6,400 rupees. So that's all for this video. Thank you.